As you can see, these Zebra Yeezys are very dirty on the uppers as well as the soles, and they also are pretty yellow around the midsole and sole. In order to unyellow, we must use Salon Care 40, a paintbrush, as well as Saran Wrap. We will first apply the Salon Care 40 to the sole. Then we will place Saran Wrap around the sole and place them in the sun. As you can see, the soles are still a little bit yellow, so we will give them another session in my sneaker icebox overnight. After that, we must give them a quick clean using Rejuvenator's products, starting with the soft bristle brush, followed by the medium bristle brush for the midsoles, and then the stiff for the soles. And here are the results of the quick clean and sole unyellowing.